Today's program, we're going to hopefully accomplish these objectives here. One is to explain some basic concepts about GPS, GNSS, global navigation, how it works. We're going to talk a little bit about the types of equipment and the associated accuracies of those pieces of equipment. The things that affect accuracy and why. This is a big issue with GPS. That people need to understand what things can go wrong and the things they need to be paying attention to. And then also outline the process of using differential corrections, which is one way or the way to improve our overall accuracy when we're using GPS. So a quick outline of what we're going to do today in the next hour. First, understanding the basics of GPS, a little background about the satellite system, the basic operation. We're going to then talk about types of equipment. And we really have three, in this industry, we talk about three types of GPS equipment: survey grade, mapping grade, and recreational grade. And then we're going to talk about the factors that will affect the accuracy. And part of that discussion is to explain the difference between accuracy and precision. We need to talk about the considerations that we need to be taking when we're wanting to achieve a higher level of accuracy. We'll talk a little bit about coordinates from the standpoint of collecting what we're looking at and why we need to be cognizant of what we're looking at on the screen, the formats, in particular significant figures. And then we'll wrap up talking a little bit about differential corrections and how the different ways we can accomplish that to get higher accuracies. And then finally, we'll talk briefly about some current issues that some people, I'm sure, are familiar with, and spend a little bit of time there, and then have some time for questions at the end. Light squared is probably something that a lot of people have heard about in the GPS world. All right, so what is GPS and how does it work? Well, GPS, of course, stands for Global Positioning System. And when the United States was the only country with that system, it was just universally called GPS. What we've got now, of course, is multiple systems that we'll talk about here in a little bit. And so the term now is a Global Navigation Satellite System, or GNSS, because GPS is the United States version, but there are European, Russian, and Chinese versions also. The satellites that are used that the U.S. sent up are called Navstar satellites, which stands, as you can see there, for Navigation, Satellite Timing, and Ranging. That's where the acronym came from, and you can probably guess that was a military name.